FitLab PGH back with a movement tip, lifestyle hack, making sure you always have goals moving forward. We hope that your goal is to make movement more of a lifestyle rather than an activity. We're out making movement a lifestyle with our Labradors, and the chocolate Labrador has a goal. She's looking for a stick. A good walk always has a stick. A good goal always has a positive result. So make sure you take a look at your goals as we get towards the end of January of 2019, and make sure the goals that you set for your resolutions are realistic. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLab PGH.